we did last, and then we will quickly solve the questions. All right. So let's start revision. So what we did last, we have discussed about volume. All right. So volume, the space inside a 3D space, the space inside a 3D shape. Like this is a cube. The space inside this shape is nothing but the volume. Okay. So how to calculate volume? There are two ways I told you. First, by counting the number of cubes, and second way is by using a formula. All right. So I have told you this is a cube, the space inside the three-dimensional figure. Okay. And one cube is a 1 centimeter. So we are treating it as 1 cube is of 1 centimeter cube. All right. And then if when whatever figure come, whatever cube come, we will count the number of cubes. Like in this figure, we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means there are 6 cube in the shape, and the volume of this cube is 6 cubic units. Clear? This is what we did last, right? And then similarly, one more example. If suppose this is the shape, so in this shape there are 8 cubes. So how you going to spaces, right? So you will count it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the volume of this cube will be 8 cubic units. Similarly, there is one more cube, layers. Layers means when puzzles we make in layers, then also we need to count the same way. We will count the first layer, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and then we will going to multiply by 2 because there are 2 layers, right? So this figure, we have behind it, so we will count the first layer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we're going to multiply by 2, 7 2s are 14. So volume comes out to be 14 cubic units. Am I right? Yeah. So this was the concept taught to you, right? And we will going to study the questions today. Now be ready. All the questions will be by you people. So you have to be very active and you will answer me, right? Okay. So let's start with first. And you know, the one who will answer will get a star, right? So I want today the raised hand should be raised, because the one who will not raise, I will going to ask him. So let's start with the Asmi first. Asmi, where is she? Asmi, noise at your, yeah, Asmi. Unmute yourself once.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Asmi. So let's start with the first question. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Open the exercise 9.6. 9.6. So here it is in front of you as well.
Yes, ma'am.
So this first figure, can you see the first figure, right?
Yes,
so,
ma'am.
So the question is, find the volume if each small cube is a centimeter cube. So here there is a cube, and each cube is a 1 centimeter, right? So what will be the volume of one cube, Asmi? Volume of one cube will be
1 centimeter.
1 centimeter, right? 1 into 1 into 1. That is length into breadth into height. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
1 into 1. Okay. So this comes out to be 1 centimeter cube. Now, if we will count the number of cubes, we will get the answer, right? So can you count the number of cubes, Asmi? Let us count together.
Yes, ma'am.
Count, come on. Isha is right, 12. 1, 2,
Yes.
see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right?
And ma'am, if we are using the formula, 4 is the length and 3 is the breadth, 1 is the height, 12 is coming, the answer.
Very good. done by formula, then same way, right? What we need to do is,
breadth into height.
wait a minute, let me raise this. What we will do is, we will multiply length into breadth. So here, what is the length, Asmi? Length is
3 centimeters.
3 centimeter. Breadth is 4. Right?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4. And height is 1. Height is 1.
Have
So
1
it
centimeter.
will come out to be 4 into 3 into 1. That is 12 centimeter cube. Right?
Yes.
Everybody, it's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Asmi, it's clear?
Yes,
So there are
ma'am.
two ways to do one thing. One way is to
Formula.
sorry. One way is to count the
Count
number of
the
cubes. If we will
Yes.
count the number of cubes, then also see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So there are 12 cubes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And if we will do by formula, then also there will be
12.
that will be 3 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter, and height is 1 centimeter. So volume comes out to be
12
volume
centimeters.
length into breadth into height, that is 3 into 4 into 1, 12 centimeter cube. So answer is 12 centimeter. But in the first question, you have to do by counting.
Count.
Okay, you have to do by counting because it is mentioned, right? Find the volume if each small cube is a centimeter cube. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, Asmi. Mute yourself.
Ma'am, may I mute myself?
Huh? Okay. Next child. Devan Singla. Mute yourself. Devan Singla.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, Devansh, let us study the next second one figure.
Okay, ma'am.
So you have
Ma'am,
book with you?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, beta. So tell the second figure. Wait, I
Ma'am,
will zoom it.
in one layer there are 16.
In one layer, there are 16. Excellent. And how many layers are there?
Ma'am, 3.
3. So how many total volume will be?
48.
48 cubic centimeter. Excellent. Let us point out also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? 9, 10, 11, 12. This way you have
Yes,
counted
ma'am.
now. This way you have counted now. Correct? And then there are 3 layers, 1, 2, 3. So 16 into 3 is 48. Okay. Now, Devansh, can you do with the formula also once? Let us do by formula.
I done with formula only.
You do formula? Formula is length, breadth into height.
I done with formula. I not counted.
You have not counted. So count now. I have shown you the way it is counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now then a total in one leg. This way you have to count. All right. So tell me the length by formula. Tell me the length.
Ma'am, length is 4.
Length is 4. Exactly. So we are doing the second question. Length is Devansh.
Ma'am, the breadth is also 4.
Breadth is also 4 centimeter. Very good.
Ma'am, height is 3.
Height is 3. Very good. So 4 into 4 into 3 is
48.
centimeter cube. Good. Good, Devansh. You just next child, Karthik, fifth awesome. Unmute yourself. Karthik.
Good morning,
Karthik,
ma'am.
good morning, Karthik. Let us do the second figure, third figure. Sorry. Yeah.
Ma'am, in front it is 6, at back side it is getting 4. So, ma'am, it is 24. Answer.
Answer 24. How, beta? You said length is
Ma'am, we have
हाँ.
to do. Length is 3, ma'am.
हाँ, breadth is length is 3,
Hmm.
breadth is
Breadth is 8.
not 8, na? 1, 2, 3, 4. Breadth is
Yes, ma'am.
breadth is
4.
4. Okay. Karthik, your video is off. Na?
No, ma'am, on it is.
On it is. Saying
Yes,
video
ma'am.
is off. Okay. So uh, breadth is 4 and what is the
Ma'am, 24.
exactly. One more time I'm telling you, everybody see. Everybody see. What is the length? 3. Hana? What is the length? 3. 3 cubes. 1, 2, 3. So length in this figure, third question. Third question, the length 3 centimeter. I'm doing the third question. Karthik, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Karthik, which way you find it easier? Formula or counting the number of squares? Cubes.
Ma'am, counting the number squares.
Cubes. Hana?
Yeah, ma'am, cubes. Yeah.
Okay. So 3 into 4 into 2. 24 centimeter cube is the answer. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah?
Ma'am,
Good.
may I mute myself?
Yeah, mute yourself. Should I ask me in chat, bache? Ask me in chat your doubt. All right, next question. Next question. Let us do next question by Arjun and Yugal Garg joining late. Okay, next question by Anandru. Okay, Anandru. Arjun, why camera is off, beta? Please turn it on. Devan Singla, just now you answered me on camera. Ekam Jot, Krishe, Kamalpreet. Krishe, today there should not be an excuse. Lavanya, Mandeep. Please turn on your camera. Samanveen. Okay, Samanveen, you answered question. Samanveen. Samanveen, mute yourself. Unmute yourself. Tejas Kundu, you also unmute yourself. Okay. Samanveen and Tejas. Who is this? I sent you the request. Okay, Tejas, do this question. Okay, fourth question. Is it clear on my screen? Tejas, can you see on my screen? Yeah. Okay. Okay, Tejas, let us count. Huh? Count the number of cubes, beta. 6 in one layer, right? 6 in one layer. Correct? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And how many layers are there? 2 layers, na? 2 layers. See, this is one layer and this back is one more layer. So if we will count from this layer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6 into 2, 12. Very good, Tejas. Very good. Okay. So Tejas, let us do by formula also. Can you help me in doing formula? Tejas, what is the length in the what is the length? What is the length, beta? 2. 1, 2. Length is 2. What is the breadth? 1, 2, 3. 3. See here, na Tejas? This is the breadth. Length, breadth, and height. So 3. And height is 2. So 3 to the 6 to the 12. 2 into 3 into 2, that is 12 centimeter cube. Good job, teachers. Very good. Okay. Mute yourself. Yeah, mute yourself. Beta. Okay. So I am sure you all are getting the questions. Yeah. Think also. Everyone. Answer in chat. Shania, we will count again. Second one. Okay. All right. Next child. Ashmit, again your camera is off. I had a talk with your mother as well. Please turn on camera. Otherwise you will be out. Okay. Soham. Soham. Unmute yourself. Soham. Soham. Soham, will you try next question? Tell me, are you getting the concept? Can you tell me what we are doing in class? Can you tell me what we are doing in class?
Ma'am, exercise, ma'am, 9.6.
Okay. In exercise 9.6, what we are doing?
A part.
And what we are finding, beta? Which type of questions we are doing?
Ma'am of cubes 1.
Huh?
Ma'am of cubes 1.
Cube. We are finding the cubes. Very good. So can you tell me the cube of this fifth figure, Soham? Fifth figure. Count with me, okay? Everyone. See, first of all, you have to see how many layers. How many layers?
Ma'am, 3.
3. Very good. So there are 3 layers. So if we will count in one layer, 5 by 3 exactly. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So let us count in one layer, right? So count 2,
1,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12. There are 12.
Ma'am, 12
cubes
in one layer.
in one layer. So how many layers are there? 3.
Ma'am,
So
3.
12 threes are
Ma'am,
36.
Ma'am, 36.
36 centimeter cube will be the answer. Clear, Soham? Yeah. Now, Soham, can you tell me with the formula also, beta? Let us do by formula as well.
Ma'am, length multiply breadth multiply height.
Very good. So what is the length here?
Ma'am,
What is
length
the length?
3 centimeter.
Wait, 3 or 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, na? Length 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a length. Anna? How many cubes are there in length?
Ma'am, 4.
4. Anna? And how many in breadth? How many in breadth?
Ma'am, in 3.
3. And what is the height?
Ma'am, height.
This way. Height is number of layers? 3. Anna?
Yes.
Yeah, 3. 6 centimeter cube. Very good, Soham. Okay.
I can mute myself.
Yeah, mute yourself. Okay, Mandeep, I will ask if you will not turn off your camera. Right? There are many questions. I am going to give chance to everyone today. We will start 9.7 as well. So Mandeep is saying, ask me. Okay, Mandeep. Mandeep is there. Okay, Mandeep.
Good morning, ma'am.
Unmute yourself. Good morning. Mandeep, are you in uniform today?
No, ma'am.
Why? You don't have time to wear uniform? Okay, answer the sixth question. Having. So tomorrow come in uniform, okay? Answer the sixth question. Answer. How many, beta, how many layers are there? How many layers?
Ma'am, 4.
How many? 4 layers. Very good. And in one layer, how many cubes?
Ma'am, 4.
In one layer, how many cubes?
Ma'am,
No,
4.
not beta. Count again. Count again. How you're counting? Tell me how you're counting. This we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah?
Ma'am,
How many are there?
16. Ma'am, 16.
16. So, yeah. So in one layer, there are 16 cubes. So how many layers? How many
Yes.
cubes in 4 layers?
Yes,
Shall I
ma'am.
wrong answer?
Ma'am, 16 multiply 4.
Very good. 16 multiply 4. So what will come? 16
Yes,
multiply 4. What is the answer? 16 multiply 4.
Ma'am, multiply
16 fours are
64.
60. 16 fours are 64 centimeter cube.
Centimeter.
Clear?
Yes,
Clear, Mandi?
ma'am.
Very good, beta. Very good. Okay. Mute yourself. All right. I'm getting very good feedback. Very good response from you people. That means you are understanding. Very good. Next child, Bhardwaj. Unmute yourself. Ishan. Okay, Shania, no problem. Ishan, unmute yourself beta fast. Ishan, unmute yourself. Okay, next child, let us. Kamalpreet, please turn on your camera. Krishil, Lavanya. Lavanya, you also behaving like this. Turn on your camera and unmute your Lavanya. Lavanya, unmute yourself. Parth, you also unmute yourself. So Lavanya is not listening. Lavanya. Parth, beta, unmute yourself fast.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
Parth, right? Huh.
Yes, ma'am.
Parth, let us do the 7th question, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Let us do 7th question. Let us do. Come on, fast. Count how many layers. Okay. And in one layer, how many cubes?
Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, 4
Are
length.
you counting, Parth?
4 length.
4 length, 1, 2, 4 or 5?
4.
With a straight, now this is a length.
Okay.
Hana? Correct. Mandeep is right. Adhiraj is right. See, Parth, be faster. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is a length. Correct. And what is the height? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the height. And what is the breadth? Only 1. So 5 into 4 into 1, 20. Be quick. Okay. Big answer is 20 centimeter cube. And if we will count this way, then also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And there is only one layer. There is only one cube. So answer is 20. Easy? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Not a good answer, Part. You were not active. Okay. Next child. Next child. Let Shania answer. Shania, unmute yourself. Shania?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Shania. Come on, answer the 8th question quickly.
Ma'am, actually, I'm facing problem in counting. I found it easier to do with formula.
Counting, you do. If you will do any mistake, I will help you. Okay.
Ma'am,
Do counting. Are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Amandeep is absolutely. See, Shania, how you need to count, beta? How you need these? First of all, you have to see how many layers are there. How many layers, Shania?
Ma'am, 2.
2 layers, exactly. Now, in one layer, we will check how many cubes. See, when you play cubes? Do you play puzzles with cubes? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
So how you arranged? You arranged like this, na? This way, na?
Yes.
First this and above of that, right?
Yes.
So we will count this way. Count Come on, count and tell me how many are there.
Ma'am, 4.
These are 1, 2, 3, 4 exactly. Then at the back of it also,
Ma'am,
these are 4.
4.
4 again. 4 again. This side is also 4 again.
Yes, ma'am.
And this side also 4 again. Hai na?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
4. 4 plus 4, 8. Plus 4, 12. And plus 4, 16.
Yes.
So in one layer, how many should I have? 16.
16.
How many are there?
16.
16. So, and there are how many layers? 2 layers. So
32.
16 multiplied 2 is 32 centimeter
ma'am.
cube. Okay, understood now? Huh? And if we do by formula, then also Shana, length is 4.
Length is 4, breadth is
Oh, sorry.
also 4, and height is 2. So we'll multiply them.
It is
4 4s are 16, 16 2s are 32.
excellent. Very
Ma'am,
good. Now please
I
mute
was
yourself.
having doubt in second question.
Second question, I will do once we'll get time. Okay, beta? Next child, Yugraj, unmute yourself. Yugraj. After Yugraj, Ayush be ready. Then Aditya and Anshu be ready, okay?
Good morning.
Yes. Good morning, Yugraj. Let us do B part, beta. Okay? So can you see the figure on my
Yes,
screen?
ma'am. Count
Huh?
the number of cubes and find the volume.
Okay, Yugraj, start counting, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Start counting. Come on, it's very easy. See how you are counting 2 ways, na? How many layers? Now, layers are 1, 2, 3, 4. But each layer does not have 6 cubes. Hai na? So we cannot multiply with one layer.
Yes.
2, 3, 4. Correct? Second layer, 5, 6, 7. Third layer, 8, 9. And top 10. So total are 10. Am I right, Yuvraj?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Nishchay, you are right. Nishchay is right. Okay. So there are 10. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Good, Yugraj. Mute yourself.
Ma'am, I
Yeah.
want to ask that in with like first is there, ma'am, at side of these cube, ma'am, we have to count these also.
No, these are ones. See. These are side of means if these are 4, so above will be 3.
Yeah.
Hai na? Because this is missing.
Okay.
If these are 3, above will be 2 because this is missing. If these are 2, above is 1 because this is missing. Got it?
Okay. Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Yuvraj. Now next child. Okay, Devanshi, let me give you yesterday. Aditya Anshu, I have sent you request. Unmute yourself. And Devanshi also I am asking. Devanshi, unmute yourself.
Good morning,
And
ma'am.
Anshu, you also. Good morning. Devanshi or Aditya Anshu?
Ma'am, Devanshi.
Devanshi. Okay, Devanshi. Answer the second beta. Second one. This figure.
1, 2,
This
3,
one.
4, 5, 6. Ma'am, 9. Ma'am,
9. Oh, how 9, Devanshi? How you're counting? Tell. In one layer, how many are there? No, Mandeep, wrong. In one layer, how Arjun is right.
from back.
Arjun is right. See,
Ma'am,
1, 2, 3,
Ma'am, from
4,
back
5.
side.
Beta, what you're saying? Devanshi,
Ma'am,
you're
I'm
not
saying
clear.
that from back side 2 are
From which back side? Let us count by layer. Na? This is one layer, Devanshi. See, this is one layer. Na? Okay. So, in one layer, how many are there, beta? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are there? Am I right?
7. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
7. Then, in the second layer, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 plus 4? 7 plus 4? Come on, Devanshi. 7 plus 4? 11.
Ma'am,
11. And 11 plus 2? 4, 5. One more time, see. 1. Everybody see, beta. This is one layer, na? There is one at the back also. There is one at the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Clear? Okay, next child. Nishchay, you want to answer something? What you are writing in chat? Nishchay, unmute yourself and tell me. Anshi, mute yourself. Yeah, Nishchay,
morning.
what do you want to say?
Ma'am, I was saying, ma'am, that I was writing answer, ma'am, in chat, ma'am, but you was not answering.
I was not answering. I told Nishchay is right. Okay, you answer live now. You answer me now. What is the how many cubes are there in this answer? This one. Okay. Come on, come on. Third question. Third question. Count now. Are you counting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
121.
21.
No.
Total are 21. No. Count again.
Ma'am, 21.
Count again.
Huh?
See. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is there so many disturbance? Please mute yourself, Vita. There should not be any noise. Okay. Mute yourself. Who will answer? Please unmute.
पता ही नहीं
One last question. Let Raghav answer. Raghav, please unmute yourself. And one thing more, in these type of question, you have to count only. You cannot use the formula. Because see, in every layer, cubes are not equal. In every be wrong. Yeah, can you tell me how many cubes are there? Good morning. How many cubes are there?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Ma'am, 15.
See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9.
12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, 3, 3, 2, 3, 9,
Yeah, Raghav.
36. 36, ma'am.
Very
36
good.
centimeter.
Excellent. How, Raghav? Tell me how.
Ma'am, first of all, we will count. Ma'am, first of all, ma'am, ma'am, the 3 and ma'am, these are 9. Sorry, not 9. These are.
How? How we will add?
Ma'am, first of all, ma'am, we will see how many digits are there. Like down there are 5. So, and ma'am, there are 3 blocks. So we will, as a count, 3 5s are 15. And ma'am, there are up 4 and 3. So ma'am, 3 4s are 12. And ma'am, then upper is 3. So 3 3s are 9. And ma'am, we will plus 15, 12 and 9.
Very good. Very good. See, excellent answer, Raghav. See how you can do is, because in each layer there are different numbers, you have to put formula 3 times. Okay. In this layer, how many length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3. 5 3s are 15. Plus
15.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 4 3s are 12. Plus 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Plus 9. Understand? Their height is all 1, 1 because we are considering 1, 1 layer. So there will be 1 height. Good answer, Raghav.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, last question. Last question. Okay, we don't have this much time. All right, so let me give you a quick revision. So today's class was interesting. Yes or not? You liked it? Yeah? Counting the cubes and finding the volume. So what we did today, we counted the cubes and we got the volume of the cube. There are two ways to do. First way, counting the cubes, and second way is putting the formula. Both ways are correct. Whichever way you are comfortable, you can do. And even you can cross check also. All right? Yeah? Yes? So tomorrow we will do 9.7 and there you need to put the formula because cubes are not given. In 9.7, the cubes are not given to the formula. Now tell me, are you comfortable for this exercise doing in notebook or book? Are you able to draw these figures in notebook? Tell me, come on, I want to take feedback. Book or notebook? Okay, they're saying book. All right, so you can in book, right? We will, you can write in book only. Area equals to number of cubes and area equals to, all right? Okay, so take care. Yeah? Take care. Bye. Revise and come tomorrow, all right?